Let's say, Daniel, we do see a year-end rally here. You say if we saw it, stick with the Mag 7 names and specifically Tesla. Why and what would be the trade there?
So when you're looking at the Mag 7, you just definitely want to focus on relative strength. And specifically with Tesla, we finally had a big breakout move. We have a pattern on the weekly chart that has finally broken out, right? And so for that reason, we're just sitting right below those previous all-time highs. So I'm continuing to trade that momentum to the upside. Obviously today it's down a little bit, but now that that momentum is here, I'm targeting the return to the previous high and then the $500 strike, which I think is possible if we can continue on with this upward momentum.
What about another year name, Roblox? I see that in my notes. What's the trade there, Danielle?
So when you're looking at Roblox, this is a great relative strength name with a bullish trend. You could sell put credit spreads in this name because it has pulled back into support, and you could also buy long calls on it, buy the stock, or buy some bullish butterflies. So if you look at this name, we have about a $30 expected move into the end of the year. So that would bring us up into a new all-time high. You could retest that previous level. That would be what I call the easy target. And then after that, onwards and upwards into blue sky territory.
Any other trades, Danielle, that would be on your radar before I let you go?
Right now, I'm looking at Microsoft and Meta as well. These stocks typically start doing well 2 to 3 weeks before earnings starts. So we're right around that time frame. And I think that as we get into the beginning of October, as earnings becomes more in the news cycle, people are going to look at buying these stocks down at the 50 simple on the daily chart. And I think we're going to see them rallying going into earnings.
All right, Danielle, thank you for your time today. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're wrapping up today's Market Domination. Don't go anywhere. We've got you covered with all the action following the closing bell. Stay tuned for Market Domination Overtime.